This 0.19-acre lot on Iraquix Lane in quiet Rocky Mount, Missouri, is full of possibilities. It's in the Indian Creek Hills neighborhood, where you'll have access to a private 40-acre lake, hunting grounds, a campsite, and even a boat ramp. You're also just minutes from Lake of the Ozarks and the Coffman Beach public boat launch. Plus, you can swim or fish at nearby Lake Pocahontas. Whether you're thinking about weekend camping or building your dream home, this spot is a great fit. And with owner financing available, it's easier than ever to make it yours. At AGT Properties, we make it easy for anyone to own land in Morgan County, Missouri. Make your dreams come true today. Choose AGT Properties. Investments for a lifetime.